Uh-huh. Okay, we're now looking for some food for small birdie that fell off her nest and is very very young and cannot fly. Okay. So we're gonna look for some worms. Not easy to find.
Did you find any other worm?
No. I guess I'm gonna have to go to the other side.
Let's move this here.
Nothing. Nothing. Here, hopefully I'm not gonna get bitten by any wild spiders or something. Nothing.
Did you find something?
Nope. Usually it's easier to find after the rain. Here, I think I got one.
Oh, I got one here. Look, it's a big one.
Yeah, I got one too.
Okay, let's wash it.
Here's our little friend.
Okay.
Now wash it a bit. Okay, and now we go to
I made it in.
feed the bird.
Okay. Stop, stop, don't scare. Let's get closer.
There she is.
Okay. Open your mouth. Okay. Open your mouth. Okay. Open your mouth. Okay. Oops.
Okay, give her that one.
Just a second, because I have one more here. Okay.
But do it from this side so I can see.
Be careful to the roses.
Okay, hold on, hold on.
Good. See? I think they feel that we're feeding them because they don't make too much noise now, the parrots.
They're probably jealous now.